Most of the time, anyone in the software team or the novice in software field, they will ask, when are we done testing? What is the end point of testing? There can be multiple responses. The first response can be, you are never done testing. From your shoulder, the testing goes to the user shoulder. So the burden simply shifts from you, that is as a developer, to the end user. This can be a simple response. Testing is never ending. It goes round and round because people need change. People need they want to change your software. Another response is, if you have time, money, do it. When you are scarce of it, don't do it. There are certain approach, like the clean room software engineering. Now these kind of approach, they are suggesting statistical use techniques, and that execute a series of tests derived from a statistical sample of all possible program execution by all users from a targeted population. So people say that this is you can decide when the testing will end in this kind of approach. So you are 100% sure all the testing has been done in this clean room. We'll talk about that later. But this is how it is done.